Have you been to Dollar Tree? Don't pass these stacking bins by Dollar Tree because you can create a beautiful faux apothecary look with them, just like this. All you need is a few items, so let's go. First, I want to show you that you can attach them on the sides. They have these tracking slides, which is actually pretty cool because they lock the bins into place. This makes it easy to stack and customize them however you want. You can add as many as you need depending on the size you're going for or the amount of storage you want to create. Before I get started, I'm going to remove the labels off of them. I'm going to be working with 6 of them for this project. The pull drawers can be removed really easy, so I'm going to go ahead and take them all out before I spray paint them. I chose this color in satin warm caramel because I want to give them more of a wood look instead of the plain plastic finish. I'll be painting the inside of the drawer only and also around the front edges. For the pull drawers, I've taped off the areas I don't want the spray paint to touch. I'll be focusing only on the front side. The paint on the containers has dried, and now I want to show you how the slide rails work. This feature is so convenient and makes it easy to slide the drawers in and out smoothly. Now let me quickly remove the tape from the pull drawers so we can reveal those clean painted edges. This is how they turned out. The only section I wanted painted was the front. However, some spray paint did get on few areas I didn't want painted, but that's fine. Once I put them back in the container, you can see it gives a whole new look. What I want to do next is encase them with some wood. For the base, I'm going to use these 2 Dollar Tree mini pallets. They're the perfect size for 3 storage containers side by side. However, I'm going to need 2 more shelves, so I'm going to make them using these wall shelves. I'm going to use the pallets as my template. Once I mark off the sections I need, I will cut them down with my mini table saw. You can find the mini saw in my Amazon storefront. The link is in my bio. Now using the newly cut board, I'm going to use it as a template for the second board so everything matches perfectly. For the pallets, I'm going to glue them together using wood glue so I end up with one solid platform. I'm going to use painter's tape to hold them together while the wood glue dries and hardens. Ignore the bottom white board, I'm just using it temporarily while the pallet's glue dries. I placed one shelf over the drawers and I'm figuring out the space for the shelves. For the first shelf, I measured up 5 inches from the bottom up, and for the second shelf, about 9.5 inches. I'm using 2 side boards. These are scrap wood pieces from Dollar Tree in the wood section. They're a little too wide, so I'm gonna trim them down to size first. Once that's done, I'll glue the shelves onto the sideboards right where I made my markings. Wood glue and painter's tape are my best friends right now while everything sets and holds in place. Meanwhile, I'm going to add these metal label holders and attach them with super glue for a strong permanent hold. I've cut out some pieces of scrapbook paper I had on hand. I'm going to insert them into the metal label holders to give it that vintage old-time look. I'm going with some more scrapbook paper. I'm going to cut it to size so it fits inside my pull drawers, lining each one neatly. I'll cut 6 pieces total using different prints for variety. Then glue them down inside each drawer. This will line the drawers and tie everything together, giving it that vintage old-time look I'm looking for. Now to reinforce the shelves I just glued, I'm going to add these small nails. This will give everything a strong, more secure hold. I've also glued the pallet to the sideboards. I didn't nail it down since the pallet wood is too thin. The wood piece is complete. I gave it a light sanding and now it's ready for me to spray paint it using the same color I used on the drawers, the warm caramel. Now that the paint has dried on my wood piece, I'm ready to slide in my drawers. To give them extra support, I'm going to hot glue them on the back side to keep everything in place and prevent the drawers from sliding around. Oh my word, I absolutely love how this turned out. What do you think? Is this a yes or a no for you? Thanks so much for stopping by. Have a blessed day, and until my next video, bye bye and God bless.